welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're new here and you're seeing this cute face for the very first time, I'm Alheri Ebenezer, a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So in today's video, we are going to do a Gele tutorial, Ankara Gele tutorial. Okay, you can see what I have on my head already. So in order for you to know how I come about this look, keep on watching this video, guys. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So in today's video we'll be tying an Ankara head tie. So at this moment she's placing the Ankara head tie on my head. So the way they usually tie an head tie is you set it in such a way that one of the sides has a shorter shorter material, while the other one has the longer material. So she's taking the shorter material in and then trying to bring up the longer material. So she will be using the longer material to take it round. So here she's trying to, even in this Ankara, the style in this Ankara is all about making pleats. Okay, so she's trying to tie it and get a hold of it. So that's my younger sister, our baby sister, the baby of the house, the last born of the house. Okay, my mom's last born. So I said, since she's around, why not do a head tie for me, for my videos, my YouTube videos. So this is a longer side. You saw the shorter side, and this is a longer side. So she's trying to make pleats. Now she's trying to take it in and make pleats and arrange it. As you know, it's all about strategy. Okay, so you have to be gentle when you come to making your pleats. So just watch carefully to see how to achieve all of this. All she's doing is trying to make pleats. Okay, she's trying to make pleats. It might not be showing, or her hand was covering it earlier, but these are pleats. So she's placing it down and she's making more pleats. You can see how she's making the pleats, right? So she's making the pleats step by step. She started from the end and she's bringing it over the head. She's making pleats and more pleats and trying to see if she's doing the right thing. So at this point, it's more like we've already achieved, around Gele. It's already looking perfect already. Not perfect, it's looking good already for an Ankara, Ankara hairstyle, head tie. So that, guys, that's it about this head tie. At this moment she's already achieved the pleat and she's tying it at the back. She's using a complete wrapper guys to do this. So she's tying it at the back and trying to make it look neat. So at this point I'll just allow you people to see the rest of it. Okay, I will stop talking now, so enjoy watching and see how she's amending it to make it look neat Thank you so much. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and leave a sweet comment on the comment section. Okay, so subscribe, click on that bell icon and set it on all. Okay, so see you guys. Subscribe to my channel. At this point, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much guys. See you in my next one. Bye for now.